This 2026 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 8231 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 28 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 6, awning, refrigerator, water heater, microwave, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 8231 BHS is 5,872 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.